they have to put their house in order. The DIG of the police was seen totally drunk in coastal belt, in Anjuna, Vakatar, Shapora, in Baga, and in Shinkerim at Kandolim. In all these places, in different clubs, Director General of Police have received his video footage, not only from one club, from all the places. And he was totally drunk. He used to send his driver back home, and sometimes he used to drive back home after drinking. So the DGP has to investigate that after drinking, where somebody has to hold him, he starts his car and goes back, is a matter of concern, where the law enforcing agency is doing this, is not accepted. And so far no action has been taken against him. If he was a normal citizen, taka भितर उडोवपा जाय, he would have been jailed. आता जेन्ना हांव आमदार आसलो, जेन्ना आमी PDA चेअरमॅन आसले, आमचेर जेन्ना कंप्लेन केले कोणे वचोन की आमी डान्स बार मोडला म्हणून और इलिगल रेस्टॉरंट मोडला म्हणून, आफ्टर सर्विंग नोटीस तरी आसतना अंडर various sections of CRPC, IPC or this thing, our case was registered on me, एफआयआर. So तेजेर कितें केलें, हे म्हाका दिसता मिडिया खंय तरी लिपोवन दवरता, मिडियाचेर प्रेशर येयला आसतलो, हें म्हाका तरी दिसता. की म्हाका हांव खंयसरूच पळयना की मिडिया एका इंट्रस्ट दिला गो ह्या गोष्टीक. ही मिसबिहेव विथ द गर्ल is a clear case on the video footage. 3 पावटी तो पांया पडला त्या चेडवाचो. The clear you can clearly see on the footage. He was slapped once very hard by the girl. Clearly you can see on the footage. He cannot walk on by himself. Is clearly seen on the video footage. What else you want? आणि कितें जाय सांग म्हाका.
सर तुम्ही आता
तो डेप्युटी हेड जाता गोंयचो लॉ एन्फोर्सिंग एजन्सी, आणि तुम्ही हरोन ते कोण बार्राचे भायर पुलीस धरता. कितें करूं, कितें जावंक सोदता तुमी लोकांक? व्हॉट यू वॉन्ट टू शो दॅट यू आर एन्फोर्सिंग लॉ बिकॉज ऑफ वन एक्सिडंट? गोवा इज अ ट्युरिझम स्टेट. यू पळय तुमी दुसरे कंट्री कितें करता, इन्क्लुडींग इटली is giving you safe drive back home. जो तर कोण पियेला आणि तेणे ओन आपली गाडी हाडल्या आणि त्याच्या वांगडा कोण ड्रायव्हर ना, तेका सेफ ड्राइव बॅक होम दिल्ल्या. गाडयेन बसय पावय ताका, म्हापशार पियेला मरे पोर्रा पावोंक जाय, पावय ताका. फुडें येतलो इफेक्ट, बट आता हे सगळें दाखोवपा खातीर केला. तो एक्सिडेंट झाला म्हणून आणि काय ना. दिस इज रॉंग, दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली रॉंग.